Good morning, student. Today, my topic related to the Olympic movements. Olympic movement topic unit number 2 for 11th class. In this topic, first I learn the introductions, ancient Olympic Games, rules for competitions, Olympic ceremony of games and awards. And next topic is the modern Olympic Games. So today let's start for the introduction for the Olympic movements. Olympic movement is a term which provides us with the understanding of the development of Olympic Games. Since their beginning to the present, it points towards the effort which were undertaken to start the ancient Olympic Games. And after that, a long gap, the modern Olympic Games in the games. In fact, Olympic movement can be understand well if we can to know about ancient as well as modern Olympic Games in detail. The first, ancient Olympic Games and modern Olympic Games, summer and winters. First is the ancient Olympic Games. Ancient Olympic Games, when and how did the ancient Olympic Games begin? There is no authentic information or definite fact about their origin, but there are the various take about the origin of the game in ancient Greek stories. According to the available information in the history, the first Asian Olympic Games started in Olympia Valley in 776 before Christ. It is believed that the natives of Olympia adopt Jesus as a god. When Jesus appeared on the ground of Olympia, owing to the fearful anger, the long split, then to pacify Jesus, people constructed as the magnificent temple in the valley and started the tradition of offering sacrifice. Later on, Hercules, the son of Jesus, started the game and sport in the honor of his father. According to another story, Augeas, the king of Elis, gave the responsibility to clean the waste tables as a punishment to Hercules for his misdeeds. Hercules placed a conditions before King Augeas that if he completes his punishment as well as keep his promise, the king Augeas will have to give 10th part of his animal property. The king agreed. Hercules succeeded in in turning the flow of the Alpes river toward the stables, and automatically the stables become clean. But the king did not keep his word. After that, Hercules killed King Augeas, and before the king, Hercules decided to pay penance for the crime committed, and he organized Olympic game for the first time. Another interesting tale is the prevent about the origin of ancient Olympic Games. The Greek listened to it being keen, interested, according to it, on the bank of Alpes river. There was a well-established kingdom named Elis, Hippodamia. The daughter of the king, Oenomaus, was extraordinary beautiful. For her marriage, the king placed a conditions according this condition. She was to be married to the person who would be able to kidnap her. 13 youth one by one tried to kidnap her but failed. All the youths were murdered mercilessly by the king. After that, a youth named People from Elis. He was a cunning and brave young man in the comparison to other youths. He made the charioteers his intimate friend and made his remove the axle from the charioteers of the king before the beginning of the race. People along with Hippodamia started running his chariots. The king followed him in his chariots. When the king's chariot was about to reach the chariot of peoples, his chariots wheel come off. Not only was the chariot broken into pieces, but his neck was also cut. Thus, people not only got Hippodamia but also the kingdoms. It is said that to commemorate his dual success, people started this game with religious rituals. According to the another story, wrestling took people between the god and goddess to assert their right on the earth. The wrestling took place between Jesus and Kronos, in which Jesus became the winner to celebrate the victories. The game and sports were started. Some historians hold the view that Greece was divided into small states which were called city-states, owing to which was battle among these small states. Olympic Games origins. Whatever The reason behind the beginning of Olympic Games was it is certain that these games were originated first time in the beautiful valley named Olympia. Therefore, these games were called Olympia Games. The ancient Olympic game continued for approximately 1000 years. But, but in 394 CE, Theodosius, the king of Rome, stopped the ancient Olympic Games. Stadiums were destroyed, but even after that, the memories of these games remained in the heart of the natives. They could not forget these games even after many centuries. Next is rule for the competitions. Ancient Olympic Games rule and competitions. When the Olympic Games were originated in 1976 before Christ, certain rules were found for competitor of various sports competitions which were engraved on a bronze plate. Their rules are given. Number 1, the competitor must be only a Greek, completely from a Hellenic race and must be physically fit. Number 2, savages and punished persons were not allowed to participate in these games. The competitors had a stay in Olympic for 1 month before the beginning of Olympic Games. They had to take on oath that they had already taken the training for 10 months in their state. Women were not allowed to participate in competitions or see these game. उसको देखने का अलाउ नहीं था, ना पार्टिसिपेट करने का कोई अलाउ था उनको, गर्ल्स को, वीमेंस को. Number 5.4, participation in games. Participant had to practice for 1 month. Number 6, only amateur sports persons could participate in these games and not the professionals. Next point, Olympic ceremony of the games. For ancient Olympic Games, one day of the opening ceremony, on the day of the opening ceremony, all the players, their brothers, fathers and trainers used to assemble their brothers, fathers, trainers used to assemble in the auditoriums. The expert of sport and games made them to take the oath that they would participate in the games according to rule, and they had got the training of 10 months. After that, a pig was killed and offered to the god named Jesus, Heracles. After this, rituals one by one all the players used to come out of the sports arena. Exactly at that time, the players were introduced to the spectators. If one of the spectators had any objections against any player, he was not allowed to participate in the competition. Rest of the players who faced no objections against them were allowed to participate. After that, the declarations was made to start the games. With the passage of time, the number of games kept on changing, such as 400-yard walking was included in 1724 before Christ. Their mails race was included in 720 before Christ. Pentathlon in 708 before Christ, boxing in 688 before Christ, and horse race was included in 648 before Christ. The number of games increased over the year, and the games used to be organized for 5 days. On the first day, only religious functions were performed. The second day was reserved for march past and introductions, and after that chariot races, horse race, and pentathlon were held. In the morning of third day, the rituals of sacrifice of animals was performed. After that, competitions of races, wrestling and boxing were held. The fourth day was fixed for athlete events, wrestling, boxing, and on the fifth day, recreational program were organized. This is the opening ceremony, and now is the awards. Awards of Asian Olympic Games. Awards. The less attention was paid to award in the Asian Olympic Games. Only food grain and animal were given as a reward. After that, a crown made of olive leaf was given to the winner. Stress was laid on respect and honors instead of award to the player in these games. Status were also made of the winners. Poem was also composed in praises of winner, and their names were recorded in the annals of history. Even the players used to participate in these games for respect and honors, and not for the sake of award. My topic related to the Asian Olympic Games is complete. There are the 5 points is very important for the exam. Introduction, Asian Olympic Games introductions, rule for the competitions, opening ceremony of games and awards. इससे रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चंस हमारे एग्जाम में आ जाते हैं. सपोज कि देयर आर द 3 मार्क्स questions related for the Asian Olympic Games. The question is to mention the rules for competitions in the Asian Olympic Games. Rules for the competitions in Asian Olympic Games. क्या थे वो रूल्स? एक बार फिर मैं आपको उसको बता देता हूँ. Rule for competitions. When the Olympic Games were organized in 1776 before Christ, certain rule was formed. The competitors of various sports competitions which were engraved on the bronze plate, their rules are given in the book, page number 44. The competitors must be only a Greek. This is the rule. First rule is very important. The competitor must be only a Greek, completely from Hellenic race and must be physical fit. Number 2, savage and the punished person was not allowed to participate in these games. जो सेवादार होते हैं, जो काम करने वाले होते हैं, जो नौकर होते हैं उनके, और जो जिनको पनिशमेंट मिला होता है, वो लोग उसे पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करेंगे। पनिशमेंट कैसे भी है, जेल में पनिशमेंट है, कोई चोरी के इल्जाम पे पनिशमेंट है, कोई गुनाह किया है उसका पनिशमेंट है, किसी प्रकार का पनिशमेंट को जो है वो अलाउ नहीं करते हैं। ठीक। नंबर 3, द कॉम्पिटिटर हैड टू स्टे ऑन ओलंपिया फॉर 1 month before the beginning of Olympic Games. They had taken on oath that they had only taken the training for 10 months in this state. Number 4, women were not allowed to participate in competition. ये रूल था उनका एशियन ओलंपिक गेम में। बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रूल है कि वीमेंस जो है पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करती थी कंपटीशन में और ना ही उसको देखती थी। और सी दिस गेम। Number 5, for participation in the games, participant had a practice of the 1 month. And number 6 or last, only adventurous sport person could participate in this. Games are not the professionals. वो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। तो ये हमारा क्वेश्चन का आंसर है। और क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। आई विल गिव इन द असाइनमेंट, मेंशन द रूल ऑफ द कंपटीशन इन एशियन ओलंपिक गेम। बुक में है और क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आ भी सकता है, तो इसको आप लोग एक बार तैयार कर लें। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन चलते हैं। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज रिलेटेड टू अवार्ड। कौन सा अवार्ड था वो? एशियन ओलंपिक गेम का अवार्ड। नंबर 3 क्वेश्चन फॉर 3 मार्क्स। देखिए, अगर 3 मार्क्स में आपका क्वेश्चन का आंसर बहुत लंबा हो रहा है तो आप उसको जो है हाफ पे से थोड़ा सा ज्यादा आप कर सकते हैं, 2-3 लाइन एक्स्ट्रा। उससे क्या है, जैसे कि इसमें 6 पॉइंट है, आप 5 पॉइंट कर लीजिए, 4 कर लीजिए, पर पॉइंट्स देने हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट देने हैं। वीमेंस का है, पनिशमेंट वाले का बहुत ईजी है, और वो वहीं का ही नागरिक होना चाहिए, ग्रीक का ही, वही पार्टिसिपेट करेगा, नहीं तो पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करेगा। तो उसको समझना है आपको, ये पॉइंट लिखने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। अब हम आगे चलते हैं। 3rd, ब्रीफली इलुसिएट अबाउट द अवार्ड ऑफ एशियन ओलंपिक गेम। अब वो अवार्ड क्या थे एशियन ओलंपिक गेम के, उसके लाइंस उसको लिखना है, तो उसको भी देख लेते हैं। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का आंसर कि अवार्ड जो है उसे किस प्रकार से हम है लिस्टेड करते हैं, आज देखते हैं उसको। लेस अटेंशन वॉज पेड टू अवार्ड इन द एशियन ओलंपिक गेम्स, ओनली फूड ग्रेन्स एंड एनिमल वर गिवन एज अ रिवॉर्ड। फूड या एनिमल, उसमें ऐसा नहीं सोना चांदी पैसा, कुछ इस तरह से नहीं चलता था। एंड आफ्टर दैट अ क्राउन मेड, क्राउन, एक क्राउन बनाया जाता था जो सिर पे पहनते हैं, और उसमें जो है ओलिव की जो पत्तियां होती हैं उसके द्वारा वो बनाया जाता था। पत्तियां तोड़ ली पेड़ से, उसको बनाया, सजाया, तो उसको जो है सिर के एक ताज की तरह पहनाते थे। तो क्राउन मेड फॉर द ओलिव लीफ वाज गिवन टू द विनर्स। मोर हिस्ट्री वाज द लेड एंड रिस्पेक्ट एंड ऑनर्स इंस्टेड ऑफ अवार्ड टू द प्लेयर्स इन दिस गेम। Status was also made of the winner. Poems were also composed in praises of winner and their names were recorded in the annal of history. Even the player used to participate in this game for respect and honors and not for the sake of award. इस तरह से हम लिस्टेड करते हैं इसको। 3 मार्क्स का है, ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है, आसान है, पढ़ेंगे तो समझ में आएगा। एक बार आप बुक में देख लें, लेक्चर के थ्रू भी समझ लें, और किस तरह से एग्जाम में करना है वो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ। और रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन चल रहे हैं, जो हमारा टॉपिक है एशियन ओलंपिक गेम, इससे रिलेटेड 2 क्वेश्चन मैंने आपको करा दिए हैं। एक तो है अवार्ड्स और दूसरा है रूल फॉर द कॉम्पिटिशन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं बुक में। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन भी रिलेटेड है, डिस्कस अबाउट द ओपनिंग सेरेमनी ऑफ एशियन ओलंपिक गेम। अब जो ओपनिंग सेरेमनी हो रही है, ओपनिंग सेरेमनी ऑफ द गेम्स, ये हमें किस प्रकार से करना है एग्जाम में। 3 मार्क्स का है, आइए इसको हम समझते हैं। ओपनिंग सेरेमनी ऑफ द गेम्स और लिस्टेड करना है इसको हमें। क्वेश्चन है डिस्कस अबाउट द ओपनिंग सेरेमनी इन द एशियन ओलंपिक गेम। हम पूरे को देख लेते हैं, हमने पढ़ा क्या था। ओपनिंग सेरेमनी ऑफ द गेम्स, 1 day of the opening ceremony, all the players, their brother, father and trainer used to assemble in the auditorium. The expert for sports and games made them to take the oath that they would participate in the games according to the rule and regulation. They had got the training of the 10 months. After that, the pig was killed and the offered to the god name is the Jesus. ये हमारी चीजें हैं, ये सब अभी भी होता है। हम ऑडिटोरियम में इकट्ठा होते हैं, मार्च पास करते हैं, हम ओथ लेते हैं, हम अपने देश का जो है कंट्रीज का राष्ट्रीय गान भी हमारा वहाँ पे होता है, सभी देशेस के उस पर जो है सॉन्ग प्ले होते हैं। आगे समझते हैं तो गॉड जीजस अरिकास। आफ्टर दिस रिचुअल्स, one by one, all the player used to come out of the sports arena. Exactly at that time, the player were introduced to the spectators. Spectators से जो दर्शकगण होते हैं उनको इंट्रोड्यूस कराया जाता है उनके प्लेयर्स। ये अब भी हम लोग मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम में ये अब भी है, बस उसमें आज के ओलंपिक गेम में वो बलि नहीं दी जाती है, जिसे हम कहते हैं कि किल नहीं किया जाता है किसी एनिमल को। उस टाइम ऐसा होता था। If one of the spectators had any objections against any player, he was not allowed to the participated in this competition. Rest of the player who faced no objection against them were allowed to the participated. After that, the declaration was made to start the games. With the passage of time, the number of the games kept on changing, such as the 400, walking and running, boxing and etc. तो इस तरह से हम लोग जो है अपनी ओपनिंग सेरेमनी को जो है लिस्ट कर सकते हैं, डिस्कस कर सकते हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट, टुडे माय टॉपिक इज रिलेटेड इज कंप्लीट। ज़्यादा पढ़ेंगे तो कंफ्यूज भी हो जाते हैं हम लोग। तो हम एशियन ओलंपिक गेम को हमने पढ़ा, उसके 3 क्वेश्चन हम डिस्कस किए। एक लास्ट लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है 5 मार्क्स का, इसको मैं आपको बता देता हूँ। इसको आप लोग अपनी कॉपी में करेंगे और मैं 4 क्वेश्चन जरूर दूंगा आपको असाइनमेंट में। क्वेश्चन क्या है कि एक्सप्लेन द ओरिजिन ऑफ द एशियन ओलंपिक गेम। एशियन ओलंपिक गेम का जो है किस प्रकार से ओरिजिन हुआ हो, ठीक है। और दूसरा क्या है कि राइट डाउन द डिटेल्स नोट ऑन एशियन ओलंपिक गेम्स। दोनों में से कोई ये क्वेश्चन मैं आपको दूंगा। 5 मार्क्स का जो क्वेश्चन है ये एग्जाम में पूरी तरीके से आ सकता है। तो ओके स्टूडेंट, टुडे टॉपिक इज रिलेटेड ओलंपिक मूवमेंट्स। आपका ओलंपिक वाला जो टॉपिक है वो स्टार्ट हो गया है। यूनिट 2 आपकी स्टार्ट हो गई है। फर्स्ट यूनिट मैंने आपको जो है मई तक पूरी कंप्लीट कर दी थी। लास्ट का एक टॉपिक बचा हुआ था सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, वो मैंने आपको जो है इससे पहली वाली क्लास में मैंने आपको पढ़ा दिया है। तो आप लोग जो हैं अब नई यूनिट से, जो नए बच्चे आए हैं, नई यूनिट से पढ़ना शुरू करें। पीछे का कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो आप मुझसे व्हाट्सएप पे, कॉल के थ्रू, जैसे भी आपको सही लगे आप मुझसे से बात कर सकते हैं, मैसेज कर सकते हैं कि हमें ये सब चीज़ें नहीं समझ में आ रही हैं। और ध्यान रखिए, घर पे रहिए, सेफ रहिए, मास्क का यूज कीजिए, सैनिटाइजर अपने साथ रखिए और जितना हो सके उतना ही बाहर निकलिए। मैंने देखा कि कुछ बच्चे जो हैं रोड पे कई बार इस रोड पे घूमते नजर आते हैं। देखिए जो वायरस है, जो भी वायरस आप लोगों को अटैक कर रहा है आप पे, वो बहुत ज़्यादा माइक्रो है, बहुत ज़्यादा सूक्ष्म है, बहुत ज़्यादा छोटा है। तो ध्यान रखिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच। गॉड ब्लेस यू।